Life often throws unexpected challenges our way. Just like the raindrops falling from the sky, obstacles may seem daunting, causing us to hesitate. But what sets the Special 11 apart is their unwavering determination. They are not just runners in the race, they are leaders ready to face any storm that comes their way. In a world where the ordinary settle for less, the Special 11 are exceptional. They are pioneers, seeking greatness in every stride. As we embark on this journey together, know that we are here to elevate your skills, to guide you through every challenge, and to celebrate each victory. Imagine a future where you not only achieve milestones, but surpass them. Picture yourself as leaders, inspiring others with your resilience and commitment. The path to success is rarely smooth, just as a runner might encounter rain on their race day. But remember, it's not about the rain, it's about the will to run despite it. With every stride you take, you are defying odds, breaking barriers, and setting new standards of excellence. Let your journey be a testament to your dedication. Together as the Special 11, you will not only overcome obstacles, but also thrive in their presence. Let the rain be a reminder that challenges are temporary. Your determination, your drive, those are permanent. So, as you step onto this track, remember that every drop of rain, every challenge you face is an opportunity to shine brighter. Get ready, because the storm only makes your victory sweeter. Special 11, it's time to run, to conquer, to excel. So, are you ready to be exceptional? Are you ready to redefine success? Let's run together, thrive together, and lead together. Onward to victory. Welcome to the Special 11. Your journey starts now.